Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 12 FS and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app, and currently we are in the standard photo mode. So let's tap on the three bars icon in the right upper corner, and here we've got the timer option. We've got 3 or 10 seconds delay, so let me choose 10 seconds delay. Just tap on the option. As you can see, it will be notified inside the shutter button, so all we have to do is to tap on it, and from now on your device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Okay, so this is how it works. To turn it off, just enter the options again and tap on off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.